thermotropic liquid crystalline properties of azomethene dimers, synthesis and characterization. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Azomethene is one of the most important function groups that can be used in preparing many functional materials, including liquid crystalline compounds as well as polymers and semiconducting materials. This key functional group is the basis of forming a large number of rod-like and banana-shaped mesogens forming thermotropic liquid crystalline (LC) compounds. Herein, a series of azomethene dimers 1 to 14 that were prepared by condensation reactions of benzaldehyde, biphenyl carboxaldehyde and 9-anthraldehyde with various aromatic diamines of varying flexibility in ethanol in the presence of tosic acid was described. Their chemical structures were determined by Fourier transform infrared and 1H and 13C nuclear magnetic resonance (NMR) spectroscopies as well as elemental analysis. Their thermal properties were also examined by using several experimental techniques, including differential scanning calorimetry (DSC), thermogravimetric analysis (TGA), polarizing optical microscopy (POM), and variable temperature X-ray diffraction (VTX-RD). IR spectra were recorded with a Shimadzu Fourier transform infrared (FTIR) analyzer with neat films of azomethene compounds on KBr pellets. The 1H and 13C NMR spectra of several azomethene dimers at both room temperature and high temperature, usually at 95 degrees Celsius whenever possible, were recorded with a variant nuclear magnetic resonance (VNMR) 400 spectrometer with 3 radio frequency (RF) channels operating at 400 and 100 MHz respectively. In D6-DMSO using tetramethylsilane (TMS) as an internal standard, since their solubility in the chosen deuterated solvent was rather low at room temperature. Azomethene dimers 1 to 2, prepared from benzaldehyde and 1,9-base,4-aminophenoxy, nonane, exhibited a monotropic, nematic liquid crystalline (LC) phase. The majority of the azomethene dimers containing biphenyl moieties 3 to 8 exhibited enantiotropic, nematic LC phase on melting at relatively low temperatures since they develop typical Schlieren, threaded or marbled textures in their LC phase. They also had accessible isotropization temperatures well below their decomposition temperatures. Azomethene dimers containing anthracene moieties 9 to 14 did not exhibit LC properties but exhibited polymorphism as determined by POM and VTX-RD in 2 cases. All these azomethene dimers 1 to 14 had excellent thermal stability that was in the broad range of temperatures of 307 to 400 degrees Celsius depending on their degrees of aromaticity index. In future, studies could focus on designing stimuli-responsive dimers of these functional groups for advanced optoelectronic applications, or incorporating them into polymer networks for high-performance materials. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.